If you want to scan QR codes on POCO M8 Pro, you have two ways to do so. The first method is to use the dedicated scanner that we can find, for example, in the control center, and this is the button that we can use. And also there is an app that is called Scanner, and it is exactly the same thing. So if you open it, you should be able to point at the QR code and scan the QR code. However, for me, for some reason, this one actually doesn't work. Maybe in your case it will work just fine, but for some reason in my case it doesn't work at all. So then we can use the second method, which actually works, and this is the camera app method. So if you go to the photo mode in the camera and point at the QR code, you can see the QR code icon here on the left side, and you should be able to see the generated link from the QR code. So you can open it and scan it and open it like this. If the QR code scanner doesn't work for you in the camera, then go to the camera settings, go to AI recommendations after that, and make sure that this option, scan QR codes, is enabled. Subscribe to my channel.